to yet another video. In this video, we will be starting our new bullet journal for the year 2023. I will be using Notebook Therapy's Golden Hour Bullet Journal for this year. I absolutely love all the details of this bullet journal, maybe the cute print provided with it or the quote written at the end of the bullet journal. So let's begin our bullet journal for the year 2023. The first page will be the quote page. Over here I am using Sakura Pigma Micron 03. I've taken the yearly setup theme to be the golden hour. second page will be the cover page, and the illustration of this page will be a inspiration from Notebook Therapy's Polaroid Washi tape. I have used Sakura Pigma Micron 03 and 05 pens. For the background, I'll be using the ink from the double-sided brush pen. The next page of my bullet journal will be the future log page, which will show all the months together along with the dates. So in case I have an important event or a birthday coming up, so I can write it over here. I have used the washi tapes provided from Notebook Therapy along with this bullet journal set for the corners. I'll keep the remaining pages of this setup pretty simple. The next page will be the goals page and then the bucket list. I'll be doing the corners of these two pages the same way I have done it for the future log spread. And the last two pages will be self-care and video ideas. Flip through the 2023 bullet journal setup. I hope you liked this bullet journal setup for 2023. Please do let me know your favorite spreads from this setup. Thank you for watching.